All right, another beautiful home here in New Smyrna Beach, Venetian Bay. We're going to show you this builder, Jerry Johnson. I showed one of the other homes in a past video. So let's go inside here and take a look at it. As soon as you walk in, to the left is dining. And just like the other one, they do a lot of architectural detail. And just to show you here, the nice tile. Directly to the right is a little den or office area. Could be a kid's playroom. Nice tile, big, huge, open, great room. And I want you to check out this ceiling. They do a lot of nice details in all their homes. He is a custom builder, so most anything you need, they can do. Big open kitchen. One of the things I like about his homes are how nice the kitchens are. And then I want you to check this out. Gas grill here, or stovetop. It's propane. A lot of glass. And we'll shoot over here to the left, to the master. Big, huge master, as you can see. We'll spin around here. Closet here. We have carpet in here, but you can do whatever you like. Another safe room. He's known for his safe rooms. And then we go back in the tile where you have a nice jacuzzi tub and a double vanity. The lights in here are kind of playing with the camera a little bit, so I apologize for that. And then we have a nice big shower, water closet. Right through that door is the garage and utility. And then we'll shoot over this end of the world. Another big room. That's a king size bed, just to give you a little idea. And then it has its own bathroom also, full size, but it does go out to the pool. Great feature. This is a bedroom also. It would easily get a queen in here. Bath. And then another bedroom about the same size as the other one. That's a full-size bed. So you can see there's plenty of room around it. And then we will end here. We'll go out to the pool and check that one out.